It's here, Lush, June, subscription box. Let's crack it open together. All right, let's crack in. Proper greenhouse fashion. Gonna use some rose pruners, right? Use what you got. Now the front of the box, if you saw the little sneak peek, it says fresh fruit, kind of like a round sticker you would see on fruit. Okay, first thing we see here, cute little citrus. We squeeze the whole fruit in. All right, you gotta come closer. First thing on top, of course, some information. Now when I bag these up, I cut this little information out and I put it with each item in a Ziploc baggie. I'll have to show you that. It is the best storage idea ever. And how stinking cute is that? Is that not scratch and sniff stickers from like the 80s? Seriously, so cute, so 80s. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh my God, raspberry lime, kitchen exclusive body lotion. Smell fab, fresh and fruity with ultra hydrating almond oil, which is my favorite, raspberry seed oil lotion. Okay, we have to try it right now. Oh, wow. It smells like, it almost has like a little bit of vanilla. Oh, and let's try it. Can you see? Yeah, super smooth, doesn't leave any marks. Ooh, oh my God, it smells so good, you guys. Yeah, you can smell the almond oil. You can smell like some kind of butter in it. Yep, cocoa butter. Oh, love it. Okay, what else we got? What do you see? You see? What does this say? Happy blooming kitchen exclusive shower jelly. This is deep red cherry infusion, rich coconut cream for fruity, velvety, soft lather. Have you used the jellies before? Whoa. Oh my God, it smells really good. Like cherry, raspberry, and a little bit of almond. They're like literally like Jell-O. They're a newer-ish thing on the market, and I stayed away from them for years because I was like, what the heck? But they're actually really cool. They're super fun. Very like lathery. Okay, I see some good colors in there. Do you see a bottle with like coral? Let's see. It's huge. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Isn't that something they've had before? I don't think I've ever had it. Lather up with sunny strawberry infusion, cold pressed passion seed oil wash for soft, sweetly scented skin. So obviously this one is one of their shower gels. So this is a really big size, which they do a lot, which is really fun. And helpful if you have like teenagers in the house, because I can tell you right now, my oldest is she's gonna borrow this and I'll never see it again. Oh my God, it smells so good. It almost smells like strawberry pound cake. Yeah. Ooh, with almost like a very mature like floral to it. It's not like kiddish. You know how like the snow fairy smells like kind of a kid scent? This is not like a kid scent. This is like sweet and fruity and candy, but it's like it has that balance, that like earthiness. Super good. Okay, I think that there's 2 more things in here. Let's see, should we do the other bottle? A lot of bottles. Okay, I had to read it. Lush Lime Kitchen Exclusive Shower Smoothie. I think I've tried these before. Get the zest kind of clean with fresh strawberries and zingy organic lime juice. I think the smoothies are like the kind of like cross between like a lotion and a body wash. It's lime. You think it smells amazing? It actually smells like real lime. Not like as fresh as I thought. I gotta touch it because I gotta. Okay. Oh, it has a little bit of that, almost like vanilla again. Let's see. Okay. Fresh butternut squash infusion. That's the first ingredient. I wasn't gonna guess that. Olive oil, almond oil, rapeseed oil, coconut oil. See all the oils in it? It's like a butter for the shower. Fresh lime juice, blah, 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 blah. Strawberries, water, grapefruit, some essential oils. So, wow. That's so cool. Okay, we're gonna try it and then I'm gonna go like rinse off. Yeah, so it's like, it's almost like a lotion, but I think it like cleanses. Okay, you guys, so I just rinsed my hands and they are super moisturized. This stuff is crazy. So that's gonna be a yes for the shower smoothies. This one rocks. And it is cleansing and it's not drying at all. So for dry skin, this would so be the way to go. It also is not like a pow lime. It's just kind of really mild. So it's cool. I like it. Okay, I think the party's almost over. We only have one left, you guys. One left. Let's see what it is. I'm thinking bath bomb. Oh, maybe not. It's a little heavier. It's like fresh, kind of like citrusy and a little berry. Okay, so this one you've got to get your sheet out. And oh, it's the first one on the sheet. Bath oil, the big strawberry. Break off 1 or 2 pieces, drop it into the bath. Oh my God, in a wax warmer. Break off 1 or 2 pieces, says squares, and add to your wax warmer. I've never done that before. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my God. So this is like a skin safe, body safe, everything safe oil combo, but that you can put in your bath or put in like your, we won't say the word Scentsy, your wax warmer, right? Oh my God. And it smells really fresh and like kind of like strawberry, but definitely a lot of citrusy. So yay, I'm so excited. I think we'll do both, right? Warmer and bath. Oh yeah. It's bigger than it looks. Okay, so what do you guys think? I know that this is like a total splurge, but I honestly think it's worth it. It's a lot of value, and it's definitely like a gift. If someone, say, didn't spend a lot on hair products or makeup or something, I think this is a super good alternative, right? So cute. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. That will give me incentive to do more. Do you know that this has been sitting on the buffet in my kitchen like all week and I hadn't even opened it? So give me some incentive and I'll crack it open really fast for you guys. All right.